डबल ट्रॅकिंग विशयाचेर अदीक भर दिवन स्वतंत्र वचपा खातीर एलिना साल्ढानान पक्षाचो राजीनामो दिला। हातूंत कांय राजकीय मतभेद आशिल्ल्याचो दुबाव ना। ती वरिष्ठ फुडारी आसा, अशें ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकार हांणी म्हळां। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
She is a very senior leader as far as our party is concerned. 5-6 महिने झाले तांकां एक विषय ती हाताळटा, तो विषय म्हणजे जो डबल ट्रॅकिंग ऑफ द रेल्वेज। जो डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो जो विषय आसा ती कंटिन्युअसली तो घेत आसा आनी ती म्हाका सदांच सांगताली की आपल्याक पॉलिटिकल अफिलिएशन आशिल्ल्या कारणान खंय तरी एक डिफिकल्टी येता एका गोष्टीची, ती म्हणजे की people feel that since I am affiliated to a particular party, it becomes a problem because a lot of people feel that because she is from Aam Aadmi Party, ekta येवपाक खंय तरी येता. So she has been saying that I want to go independently. So I had told her that it's your personal reason, it's a personal choice that you want to make. So she said yes, since that is the only विषय जो आसा आपूण तो घेवपाक सोदता, I would want to do it independently. So it is very amicable. I don't know why certain sections of media has said that, she said that I am not going with the ideology of Aam Aadmi Party. जर आम आदमी पार्टीच्या आयडियोलॉजी बद्दल तुका जर इच्छा नाशिल्ली रावपाची जाल्यार यू हॅव चॉजन टू बी अ कॅन्डिडेट फ्रॉम आम आदमी पार्टी। आम आदमी पार्टीची जी आयडियोलॉजी आसा ती ऑनेस्टीची आसा, ती ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिक्साची आसा आनी लेट मिस्टर मातानी सल्ढाना हॅड दॅट आयडियोलॉजी एंड दॅट इज वाय शी चोज दॅट आयडियोलॉजी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर पार्टी. So I don't think she has any personal reasons or any other reason other than personal reasons to have chosen to resign from the post. I have always told her that you are welcome anytime you want to, and she has told me that whenever I seek and I need guidance, I can seek it from her and I will always do that. We have a very amicable relationship. So म्हाका दिसना कोणाकच खंय तरी दुबाव आसपाक जाय की that there is a political thing and that ideologies don't match म्हणून. हे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न करपाक त्यो खूब गजाली करूं येता. Sometimes the words are minced for benefit of certain sections or factions of political parties. I don't think I need to give an answer to cast any aspersions on her. She is a very good friend. She is a mentor to all of us. She is a very senior person. आणि तांच्या ज्या गावाची आशिल्ली आयडियोलॉजी तीच आमी फॉलो करता, तीच आमी फुडें व्हरता. सो कोणाकूच तातूंत दुबाव आसपाक जाय.